Hi guys, this is Kelly once again from Bond Machines, and today I will be reviewing the Pioneer semi-industrial heavy-duty sewing machine. Okay, this is one of my personal favorite. It has this industrial features and it is really strong and an amazing machine. Okay, I'll quickly run through the features of the machine, but before I do that, I want to thank all my customers and those that buy from me, and also those that watch my videos. Okay, these machines, they have been properly serviced and oiled and made to work optimally. So when you purchase these machines, you actually have to do nothing but to use and enjoy. All right, so quickly, the machine comes with a thread stand. All right, and right here you have the needle positioning, which is the left, the middle, and the right needle positioning. Okay, right here you have the straight stitch and the zigzag stitch, which is the lever that controls it. That's it here. All right, and also you have the stitch length regulator, okay, which is this here. The up being the highest part, while the down part is actually when you're reversing. Okay, right here you have the bobbin winder, and the control for the footer pressure is this. Okay, see that? It's actually on the top. Amazing, right? Right here you have the tension. So I'll quickly show you how to wind the bobbin and work with the machine. All right. All right, to wind the bobbin, it's quite easy. From the thread stand, I just do like more of a star shape. So I just go from here and take it all the way here. Then, like I said, I just want to use any of the bobbin here. Okay, so I just want that here. And place that here. Okay, once you place that, just push that to the edge and okay, once you've gotten the amount of wand you want, you just push that back in and take it out. Now, in threading the machine, it's quite easy also. From here, you go all the way to this place and you pass it through any of the holes you have here. Okay, pass it through. Let me see, I'm using the second one. All right, then you raise the footer up from here so you can pass it freely through the tension. Okay, there's a tension there, and pass it through this eye. Then you take it all the way down, you pass it through this point, and you thread the needle. Now the machine uses the regular shuttle and bobbin mechanism, and it uses the DB set of needles, and also is a left-sided thread mechanism. Okay, so you're threading from left to right. Okay, unlike previous videos I review, this one you're threading from left to right. So I'll quickly thread the needle and also do some stitches with it. Okay, I already threaded the needle. Now this machine is a very strong machine, so I recommend it for leather, especially those that are into leather works and all that, and it has a high shank foot. So for sewing the regular straight stitch, you make sure this is on number 1 here, and I'm using the highest stitch length, and I'm using the middle point of the needle positioning. So when I sew through now, yeah, see that? Very, see that? That's the back, and this the front. Okay, the fabric is actually stretchy, so but it actually sews that, so you can see the front stitch and that's the back stitch. All right, so I'll quickly reduce the stitch length so I can sew a much more tinier design or tinier stitch. Okay, much tinier stitch. All right, so there you have it, a much more tinier stitch. Okay, so let me just sew the bigger one and show you how it goes initially. All right, so initially you have the gathers this big, okay, and you can actually use it for upholstery and also other works that you need the gathers to be much wider. Okay, so now you can reduce the stitch length further to get a much tinier stitch. Right, and also you see that much more tinier stitch. Okay, so now you can go for the zigzag. You just turn this all the way. I'm using the highest zigzag length, and I'm leaving it at this point here. So when I sew through, you can see that on the fabric. Okay, so the zigzag. Okay, that's the zigzag, and you can actually make this zigzag much more closer. So you just bring this down a bit. Okay, there you have it. A much closed zigzag. All right, so you can also use the machine for buttonholes, and if you want to do that, you just have to use your needle positioning for the buttonhole. Okay, so I'll quickly replace this fabric with a leather fabric, and just to see how the stitches go through. Okay, I have a leather fabric, so I'll be using like 4 layers in the fabric. All right, let's see that. Okay, let me use 2 for now so I can actually pin that down. All right, so bring it down, and see that, guys? That's the 2 layer, that's the back. All right, so I'm gonna make a 4 layers of the fabric now. Okay, so I'm good to go. So that's like 4 layers of fabric. You can also make it 8 layers. All you just have to do is to change the size of the needle you're using. All right, so guys, there you have it. That's the Pioneer semi-industrial heavy-duty sewing machine, one of my personal favorites. And thank you so much, guys, for watching, and God bless you.